Today I'm going to show you how to use the NETGEAR AirCard 760 hotspot, which is this here, with the NETGEAR AirCard Hub. It's really easy to set up. As you can see, the advantages of using a NETGEAR AirCard Hub are that it's got Ethernet ports on the back and external antennas that you can use to get better coverage reception. Plus it's also got a cradle here to assist with trickle charging, keeping the hotspot charged up. Now I'm going to turn it on. And it's pretty much ready to go now. Now I've got the AirCard 760 here ready to go. I'm just going to pop that in. The important thing is to make sure that the antenna doors on the bottom of it are open. Pop that in now. Just waiting to sync up. And you can tell when it's synced up because it's got that symbol there to indicate that it's cradled. And of course there's internet connectivity and Wi-Fi connectivity. Those are up and running. My laptop over Wi-Fi, and I'll notice that the SSID password is 65349527 in this example. So coming across to my laptop, and I can go down here and search for the name of the hotspot, which is that one there. I'll connect to it. It's going to prompt me for the password, which is 65349527. I'll hit OK. And it's just open. Connectivity over here. Now if I type in Hub, that should take me to the configuration WebUI of the AirCard Hub. And you'll see there's easy mode, small office, home office mode, and power user mode. Power user mode gives you full configuration controllability of the AirCard Hub. Also too, I can actually type in the WebUI of the actual hotspot, and of course the default password is admin. And now I'm logged in and I can have a look at the hotspot itself and configure it. Now one of the other advantages of using the AirCard Hub is the ability to use Ethernet. Using one of the Ethernet ports at the back, which I've got here, plug that into my laptop now. So here I go. Plug that in securely. Give it a moment. Now the other thing that's happening here is that you can see that there are some LEDs on this side which indicate when the LAN ports are being used. Again, and I can pretty much do what I was doing before. WebUI of the hotspot. So there you go. It's really pretty easy to use. By default it comes in easy mode. So it's just a matter of turning on the hotspot, turning on the hub, plugging them together, and that's it. You're connected to the internet. Thank you very much for watching.